Cats are independent, curious, and agile creatures known for their playful behavior and unique personalities. With their sharp senses, particularly their keen sight and hearing, cats have evolved as skilled hunters, though many modern house cats have adapted to a more leisurely lifestyle. They communicate through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and purring, which is often associated with contentment. While they can be affectionate and bond closely with their owners, cats tend to value their personal space, making them both enigmatic and endearing companions in many households.